Good morning, everyone. My name is Ghanshyam Kumar. I am from Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing BE from Chandigarh University. Today, I am standing here in front of you to give a presentation on about my social internship project. And my project is about rural infrastructure and development. So now, I am going to tell you about first introduction. So now, let's start with the introduction. Rural infrastructure plays a vital role in supporting the subsistence of rural communities globally. The availability of fundamental infrastructure elements such as transportation, networks, electrical system, water provision, healthcare institutes such as the local market plays a crucial role in driving social economic activity, supporting the growth of small and medium sized enterprises. However, vendors in the local market face numerous challenges that hinder their success. The climate change awareness and disaster preparedness program aim to raise the community understanding the impacts of climate change and equip them with the necessary knowledge. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by the Government of India aims to achieve the universal sanitization coverage and promotes cleanliness in both urban and rural areas. Now, I am going to tell you about objectives. The objective of this analysis is the impact of rural infrastructure, of rural livelihood, is to understand how the presence of equality of infrastructure in local areas can affect the socio-economic well-being of local populations. By analyzing the relationship between the rural infrastructure and livelihood, we aim to identify the positive impact of improved infrastructure on economic opportunities, healthcare, education, and overall living conditions in rural communities. Now I am going to tell you about motivation comes from the project. Improved infrastructure can create jobs, opportunities, increase productivities, reduce poverty level in rural communities. By understanding the local market dynamics, help vendors identify potential opportunities and challenges, enabling them to help develop strategies for long-term sustainability. The effectiveness allow us to its impact on increasing climate change awareness, disasters, preparedness among the targeted communities. Information gathered from field visit and analysis can inform policy adjustment and improvement to enhance the Swachh Bharat initiative impact. Fieldwork and exposure. Study rural infrastructure and its impact on rural livelihood. I went to a rural people to collect information about impact of rural infrastructure which includes bridge, roads, hospitals, or schools, etc. on rural livelihood. I interviewed several people and writing down their thoughts. Through many surveys, I collected information to know several important topics about rural infrastructure and about rural peoples. While doing my research, I added some of the impacts that affect rural people life. Voice from the markets, exploring challenges faced by local vendors. I interviewed from some vendors. Field visit allow researchers to conduct interviews with vendors, gaining insight into the challenges they face, their experiences, perspective on the markets. Observing how vendors displays and merchandise their products can provide insight into the market strategies and customer attraction techniques. The availability conditions and infrastructure in local markets, such as storage facilities, transportations, impacting vendors' operations. Enhancing climate change awareness and disaster preparedness. Conduct surveys and interviews, understand how climate change is affecting the communities directly, such as in weather patterns, water availability, and agriculture communities. directly, such as change in water patterns, etc. Meet with NGOs, government agencies, and other community organizations to pool their resource and create a more comprehensive resource to climate change, education, and disaster preparedness. Facilitate community-led projects that focus on building relations to climate impact such as rainwater harvesting, afforestation, sustainable farming practices. Swachh Bharat Insight from Field Visit Analysis and Problem Solving Measures. Visit Swachh Bharat project sites and observe the evaluation of current sanitization and cleanliness condition. Note areas that improvement and identify specific challenges faced by community. Organize awareness campaign on sanitization, water segregation, proper waste disposal practices. Meet with local NGOs, government agencies, and sanitization experts to gain insights and develop effective program measures. Lesson learned from this project. How improved infrastructure contribute to increase agriculture productivity, income generations, employment opportunities, market access, thereby livelihood and fostering economic growth. Understanding the concept of local market and its significance in the business economic system. Analyze hygiene behavior and practice with the communities, understanding the factor influencing positive hygiene habits. Limitation observed from the project. Rural areas can diverse infrastructure conditions, making it challenging to generalize finding across different regions. Some vendors and market areas might be challenging to access, making it difficult to obtain data from certain segments. Gathering reliable and comprehensive data on programs outcomes, especially in disaster prone areas, can be challenging due to logistic constraint and community resources. The effectiveness of Swachh Bharat mission may require longitudinal studies to evaluate its long-term impact on cleanliness and sanitizations. Recommendation to maximize the potential of rural areas, combat poverty, improve the general standard of living rural communities, governments, and stakeholders must collaborate to give priority to the development of rural infrastructure. Implementing market diversification, differentiation strategies, competing pricing, technology integration, and collaboration can contribute vendors to long-term success. The climate change awareness, disaster preparedness program succeed in revealing community understanding of climate change and fostering disaster preparedness. Thank you. That's all.